Okay, okay. Okay, welcome muli po sa ating Saturday Night Basketball at action between Los Hermanos, clad in all green po sila, dark combination. All green po yan, all green against, of course, ito po yung blue naman po sila po, ang Airport United. Muli po ako po sa abing G-Vlog si Ju. And time for this following sponsors. And also, this is what? This is the Aviation Friendly League, Doubles of Flying League. Saturday edition po tayo ngayon. Would like to thank the following sponsors. Team LBC, Hari ng Padala, Thread and Needles, and of course, this part by SPB Pilipinas and PSBQ Basketball League. First game for tonight is between Airport United versus Los Hermanos. Okay, Los Hermanos looking for win number 2. Airport United also looking to get back on the driver's seat. Dahil kasi alam po natin, dalawa na po talo na magkasunod from in-flights and the sorry loss po sa Mechanicos. Kaya tingnan po natin po kung ano po mangyayari po yun. If you notice po, medyo depleted na naman pa rin po still ang Airport United. 6 lang sila, pero ang Los Hermanos po is coming full, full pack po sila ngayon. Marami-rami po sila ngayon. Yan. We'll start the game in the line to fight after 40 seconds. 40 seconds of game time will start right now. Ayun, Spock sa channel, nagbago siya. Okay, muli pala pa ako po sa aming G-Vlog si Joe and the 7 Horizon Vlogs. Ako po nagpapasalamat po sa mabumati po sa akin sa aking kaarawan yung araw na to. Thank you pala po. Ako po ito. Yan. Yan. Okay po si Bob. Yan. Okay, first game for the day. We're just waiting for the opening whistle to come. This is your Saturday game night tonight. Basketball action sa ating Aviation Friendly League, or FLW as a Flying League between Los Hermanos, clad in all green po sila. All green. Yan, green. All green po yan. Against Airport United, clad in all blue naman. Blue. Yan. Last no? Harmona. Siguro po walang blue. Okay. Baka mano kasi na referee. Mga silip. Sentay po tayo for the opening whistle to come. Okay, the referees now is about to scold. Okay, game na. It's game time. Los Hermanos versus, of course, Airport United. Airport United missing the service of still Scott and may duty po parate. And also wala rin po si Melvin. Sa amin po natin po si Soliano, si Salud, dahil kasi si Salud yata naging busy si pair po ng Oman. And of course, iba pa mga keepers po na like Masbang, may flight yata po kasi. Okay. Kaya may depleted po ang Airport United po ngayon. Scott, dangan po si Scott. No, suwi mo Scott. Airport United versus Los Hermanos. We're just waiting for opening whistle. Opening whistle coming. Ouch. Again, depleted pa rin po ang Los Hermanos, ang Airport United. Sino po sila? Yan po si Eric, number 4, number 12, number 55, number 1, at si number 6. Yan po starters po ng oh, Scott. Okay, game na po tayo yun. Okay, sa kabila po, of course, nandiyan si number 77, si Pasi. Si number 10, si number 7, si number 44, at si number 30 naman po sa Los Hermanos. Maraming salamat po sa aking sa mga bumati po sa akin, mga nag-well wishes po sa araw ko ito. At treasure it for most po talaga. Thank you po talaga. Coaster, and now nakuha ni Pass yung bola. Kick pass kagad. Solo Sermano kay number 10. Wala. Rebound kagad ng Airport United. Nakuha ni Eric ang bola. Eric, nagdadala mo ng bola. Wala pa kasi digit for pointed ngayon. Sige. And now Coaster. Coaster. 255 kay Corpus to Eric. Eric, 10 to shoot remaining. Carmona for 3. Boom! First blood drawn by Airport United. 3-2 natin kagad. Dabi natin ni Carmona. Carmona to Benji. Benji number 13. Pumuposisyon si number 44. 4-3 again. Kapos. And rebound di Corpus. Yung kanilang big man. Yung big man po ngayon si Corpus. Now to Carmona again. Carmona driving in. Driving. No good. Malakas. Okay, kay Pasi, 2-on-1. Nakuha nga seal completed ni Mr. Corpus. Pero malakas ang pasa naman ni Eric kay Carmona. Balik muli po sa green ang bola. Green ball po tayo, green ball. Wala pa akong kopya, pambira. Okay, green ball to Benji from Pasi. Benji, setting up the pace. And now kay number 29. And Benji to then to number 44 rather. Padilla, pops up si Pasi. Kapos. Nakuha muli ni Corpus ang bola. Corpus. Now to SG kay Eric. SG. Eto na SG now kay Mr. Carmona again. Back to back 3 points. Ang pinakawalang kagad. Yan po yung kanyang Betcha Bermagal, mga palakpak na po. Ma'am, GF o may bahay? Girlfriend? Okay, kala ko ano eh. Okay, game. Mga pala, may siyang dalang inspiration po dito. And now to Pasi again. Pasi. Nawala ang bola to Eric now. Eric on the run. Ayan, dako nawala ang bola again. Nakuha mo ni Benji bola. Benji pops up for 3. Kapos. Blue ball po tayo mga boss. Blue ball. Eric now for the inbound. 7 minutes 30 remaining at 0-6 point score po natin. Both teams wanted to another win to add in the rack of win-loss column. And to Corpus palpal ng number 10. And now to Benji. Carmona. Nakuha kay Pasi. Pasok ang bola. 2-6. Okay, na to Coaster, running shot, 2 points by Coaster. Malaki masyado, 44. May tanga ng bola, that's 44, that's Ruiz. Buns to Benji again, number 13, running shot, wala. Si number 10, Padilla, binapayungan, pinalabas mula kay number 44. 44 to Benji, pops up for short stab, no good. Eric, nakuha rebound na to Carmona, still completed. The number ni Bondi Bands, the number 44, now kay number 25. Benji, pops up, no good. Rebound ni Eric. Eric again, number 4, SG. Ayun, Carmona, nako, hindi pumasok nga lang. Carmona shooting for 2, 44 called for the foul, out of shooting, Carmona shooting for 2. This game is brought to you by the following sports team, LBC, Hari ng Padala, at of course, ang Thread and Needles, Uniforms and Tailoring. Sama natin po ang SBB Pilipinas to keep the game in a neat and orderly fashion, and PSBQ Qatar po. To join our league, just visit the page for details. Yan po ang PSBQ Qatar. Carmona, wala. Nakuha ni number 10 ang bola. Number 10, driving in. Kay Bands, 23. Barts naman. May Bands ka naman. Ay, nawala ang bola. Ball now to Eric. Eric, pops up, malakas. Tap to Bonds. May Buns ka na, may Barts pala. Okay, Buns. Buns 44, pops up for 3. No good, kapos. Balik muli po tayo po sa blue ang bola. Blue ball muli po tayo, blue ball. Airport United now to number 12. Carmona, may tayo ng bola. Carmona. Maraming salamat po sa ating 2 viewers right now. Please like and share po. Sa ilalim, malalim. Corpus again. Good ball. Still completed by Pasi. Number 44. Malakas ng konti. 5 minutes 40 remaining. Dahil yung second lineup nyo. And to Carmona. Foul. Again. Called for a foul. Called for a foul. Carmona. Side throw muna. Side throw. Not 2 shots. Hindi 2 shots yan. Papasin eh. Carmona. Cut. Si Coster. Malakas. Okay, 44. Nagantay mo ng rice back. 44. Driving. Benji. Padilla. No good. Ayun na. Siko. Carmona. 2 points. Carmona. Nagbalay sa area ang bata. Okay, 2 points. Carmona. 5 minutes 16 remaining of the first quarter action. Nadali pa yung second starters nyo. Second na pa. Handa na po dapat. Benji. Crossover. Nakuha ng pick. Benji pops up. No good. Rebound. The Corpus. Corpus na big man. Clearing the boards for Airport United. Now si Eric, may tanga ng bola. Eric. SG, pops up for 3. Inline. Yes, sirree. And okay po tayo yun. Tawag na po ang second lineups po natin. Second 5 po natin. Tinatawagan na po. Siyempre si Ian, papasok na rin dyan. Along with number 15. Si number 24. Si number 25. At si number... Sino yan? Salamat po, ma'am. Salamat po, Ma'am Joanna. Salamat po. And Fauny, number 8. Si Fauny pala, number 8. Okay, 23. Ian, baseball pass. Eto na. Number 24. 2 points. Number 24 kagad ang diniliver ng mama. 24, 2 points. That's IP naman. Ipe yata yung IP. Number 4 again for 3. Kapos. Nako, tinamaan ng kamay. Balik. Okay, balik muli po tayo. Now, same ball po tayo. Touch last by number 15 ng Los Hermanos. Eric Munoz. Nako, uy, sayang. Traveling violation ng Cordon Munoz. Nag-sidestep kagad. Balik muli po tayo. Si Carmona pala, sneak muna nila sa bench. Running shot, no good. Rebound, the Corpus to Munoz. May tangan ng bolong yun, Munoz. Siya muna nga na magpo-point guard. Score, sir, 4-14. Lamang ang Airport United ng 10, sir. Coster, wala. No foul. Release ang ball. Okay, si Fauny pala yan. Fauny inbounding. Now to Ian. Ian number 23. Ian setting up the pace. And to IP, no good. And to Fauny. Number 24 again. 24. Nakuha ni Eric ang bola. Eric nagmamadali. Eric setting up the pace. Eric for 2. No good. Niluwa ang bola. Now to Mr. Ian ng Los Hermanos. Pops up for 3. Kapos. Okay, timeout called by Airport United. Airport United enjoying a comfortable 10-point lead. You're watching right now the game between Airport United and Los Hermanos. And after this po is of course ang pinakaabangan, Contact Center versus the Mechanicos. Yan. Pero mag-note muna po tayo dito muna, ha? Maraming salamat po. And balik muli po tayo sa laro po natin. 4-14 po score natin. Both teams scoreless in the last 2 minutes of game. Kaya pala, palit. Kalahin nun. Palit sapatos ka agad ah. Okay, balik muli po tayo sa laro natin. To Corpus again from Corpus, nagbababa ng bola. From Custer. Wahoy! Nasobrahan. Op. Pahawakan muna kay referee ang bola, mga boss. Hawakan mo na referee muna. Hawakan mo na referee. 26. Wah, nagpalitan nga na. Nangyari. Pawnee. Forrest. Inibang battle won by same ball. Okay, blue ball rather. That's green. Eric, binigyan na. Eric kay Custer. To Eric again. Eric. Renzo Manzon is watching. Eric lost the ball. Foul. Manzon, nasan ka Manzon? Nasaan ka Mr. Renzo Manzon? Calling Mr. Renzo Manzon. Nasaan po kayo? Okay, JP 24 na to 26. Samonte, may tanga ng bola, binababa niya. Setting up the pace, setting up the traffic. Samonte, running shot. No good. Corpus, naka-rebound naman. Clear the boards again. Under traffic, si Eric. Under traffic. Still completed. Samonte again. Counter steal. 2 points again. 2 points. 2 points, number 25. That's Forrest. Munoz, setting up the pace. Lost the ball. Foul. May plate ka pala. Sige, ingat ka lang dyan, boss, ha? May plate pala si Munoz. Okay, ingat lang po kayo sa Munoz. Sa pagbiyahe-biyahe po. Okay, number 26. To number 23, Ian. Malakas ang papel ng 15. Nawalang bola to Ian again. Ian setting up the pace. Ian against Munoz. Power move. No good. Ian's for sure shooting for 2. Eric. Okay. Second first shot pa ng Eric again. Ian shooting for 2. First shot. Wala. Second throw, jumpers ready. The score is 6-14 at 59 seconds remaining of the first quarter action. Kapos na naman. Corpus clear the boards. Number 6, Munoz. That's Jong, number 6. Munoz driving. Munoz kay Custer. Custer driving. Eric almost lost the ball. 10 seconds to shoot. Custer running shot kay Corpus. Malakas. And green ball. Green ball. 29 seconds remaining. Green ball. Push na push. Wala. Di na 19 seconds remaining. Eric, Custer driving in, no good. Take 2, Akop shooting. Custer shooting for 2 at 4 seconds remaining of the first quarter action. Custer, first shot, no good. Second throw, jumpers ready for Custer. Custer, second throw, jumpers ready. Pops up. Basket in. It's in. 6:15. Siyam lang po kalamangan. Ian. 4 seconds. Pops up for 3. Kapos. Okay, that's it. First quarter is finished. We'll wait now for the second quarter action. Oh, may ano si Scott. Grabe pala. Paiba-iba sapatos yung number 4. Si Eric nga eh. Paiba-iba sapatos si Boss Eric. Grabe pala. Paiba-iba yung sapatos ng number 4. Sabi ni Scott. After this po is contact center and mechanicos. Calling all of them. Magandaan-daan na po kayo. Second quarter na po tayo yun. Okay, second quarter action. Almost the same except kay Munoz. Pumalit lang si Carmona sa kabila ng of course. Ito rin si number 77. Si Benji. Si 44 ng Los Hermanos, si number 10. At si number 29. Okay. Ng Los Hermanos. Eric. Pops up. Yes, sir. Sweet shot by Eric. Sweet shot. 6:17. 11 po kalamangan ng Airport United. Airport United playing at press time already also. They're going down to the rankings. Reset back-to-back losses from in-flights and mechanicals. Kaya medyo talagang nasa bumabagsak sila sa pero they try to get to turn this thing around. Coster again nag-slice. Corpus foul committed. Nice one. There's may big man sila ngayon. Ba din yung Corpus? Okay, first team foul po na Los Hermanos. Jong nako ni Eric ang bola. Eric against Pasi. Pasi, may tanga ng bola. Now to Coster. Carmona for 3. Online, offline. Balik muli po sa green ng bola. Mga green po ngayon magdadagdag. Magbababa ng bola. Now si Benji from Pasi. Benji, number 13. Number 13 to number 44. 44. Nililipat-lipat. That's si Buns. Pasi for 3, no good. And nako ni Eric ang bola. Eric, okay, lead pass now to Carmona. Carmona, lead pass. Foul! Foul number 10 for sure. Akop shooting po yan. Eric shooting. Carmona shooting for 2. Number 12 shooting for 2. Number 12 pops up. It's in. Second throw, jumper's ready. It's a 12-point lead now. Been posted already by Airport United. Second quarter pa lang po ito. Second shot, Carmona pops up. Okay, both baskets in. 6-19, a 13-point lead being enjoyed now by Airport United. Benji, number 23. Number 10. Nice one. Nice attack. But nandun si Carlos Corpus. Corpus, may tanga ng bola. Number 4. Eric. Custer pops up. Kapos. Bonds, 29. Lost the ball. 44. Hop. Foul, number 1, blocking foul. Blocking foul called the number 1 kay Custer. Custer, number 1, blocking foul. Okay, now Papsi again for 3, no good. Ayun si number 10, what a rebound. Again, one more time. 24, no good. Nandun si Custer. Nagganap mapasahan. Ayan, si Carmona ngayon nagmamadali. Carmona driving strong. Carmona malakas ang pasa. 2-on-2 situation. Bans 44. Pasi 3-second violation. 3-second violation. Lucky break po para sa Airport United. 6:19 still the score at 7 minutes 10 remaining. Custer. Carmona for 3. No good. Rebound battle won by 29. Number 29. Green ball. Green ball po tayo. Number 13. That's Mr. Benji. Benji. May tangan ng bola. Benji holding the ball against Carmona. Nakalusot. Pops up. Foul! Corpus called for foul. 2 shots will be given for Benji. Benji, first shot. Dapat na medyo tipirin muna po ng Airport United po ang kanilang kalakasan dahil kasi medyo depleted talaga po ang bench nila against Los Hermanos na medyo marami silang ano po ng fresh legs parate. Marami stock sila anytime so pwede sila mag-crack din sila. Hop! One more time. Early entry. Pero see how it will play out po for both teams. Both teams seeking another win to boost up their records. Benji again. It's in. Basket made. 6 minutes 39 remaining at 7:19. Ang score, 12 po Kalamangan. Eric. Custer. Slicing. Corpus. Malakas. Pasi. 2 points. Back to back. Okay, 10-point lead ang Kalamangan po ng Airport United. 9:19 ang score. Carmona. Binabantayan. Lost the ball. Ito na ano yung Benji. Umatake kagad si Benji. Inano mo na. 29 to Benji. Habang mapasahan to 29 again. 29. Pasi 77. Driving strong. Nope. It's number 44. Pops up. 2 points. Number 44. 8-point lead from a height of 13. Now down to 8-point lead. Scoreless po. No good. Again. Missing the mark. Scoreless still ang Airport United for the past 3 minutes. Eric. Pops up. No good. Eric to Custer now to Carmona driving, slicing kay Jong. Ayun, kay Custer. 2 points kagad ang binigay. Nakabawi kagad. And after 5 minutes, again, another 5 pumuli po. Fresh legs po para sa Los Hermanos. Sa kabila naman, labas muna sino? Ayun yung fatigue factor. Okay. Si Con muna, lilabas muna ulit para ihanda po si second half. Fresh legs again para si Los Hermanos. Ian. To number 15. Driving strong. No good. Rebound battle. Again, one more time. Wala pa fade away. Si JP, wala pa. Nakuha ni Corpus ang bola. Tinayuan lang ang depensa. SG. Eric. Si Grama. Custer. Corpus. Jong. Eric driving. Na-stripped away pero foul kay Fauny. Fauny called for the foul. Munoz. Jong driving. Lost the ball. Green ball. 11:20 balik muli po sa 10 po ang Kalamangan ng Airport United. Airport United has to just to stay survive the last 2 quarters with your depleted lineup. Los Hermanos on the attack. Illegal screen. Illegal screen. Okay, balik muli po sa Airport United ng bola. Illegal screen po tinawag. Munoz. Munoz muna. Eric, naghahanap mga pasante kay Corpus. Munoz. For 3, si Munoz. No good. Rebound. 26. Umatake si Ian. Ian on the attack. 2 points Ian. 2 points Ian. 13-21. Again, balik muli sa 8 ang kalamangan ng Airport United. 13-21. Munoz. Eric driving. Custer stepped away. Again, another one. Again, 2 points again. Oh, chill lang po. Time up po ang... Isa lang. Chill lang tayo. 2 minutes 56 remaining, 15-20 score. A 6-point lead na lang po ang kalamangan ng Airport United. Game. Bola po ng blue. Green defense. Green defense. Chill lang tayo. Rosemary Ranyaga is watching. Riang. Custer. Eric, kailangan makasagot na. Custer. Nice slice and dice. Foul committed. Nice slice and dice. Rap play. Sabi, role play din ang tawagin. Rosemary Ranyaga is watching. Good evening po siya, madam. Custer rather, shooting for 2. Custer shooting for 2, pops up. No good. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. The score is 15-21. Just extend the lead. Second shot. No good. And nakuha po ng Los Hermanos. Kick pass kay Ian. Napunta kay Eric. Pero di na kinuha. Malakas ang pasa. Sabi ni Boss Ian. Okay, again. Munoz. Custer. Corpus pops up. Yes, sirree! Nice play by Corpus. 2 minutes 16 remaining. JP. Rebound battle 1. Munoz. Nakuha ang bobola. Munoz. Kinuha na. Binigay kay Eric. Eric na on the roll. Eric driving. Corpus. Power move. (26) called for foul. 26 called for the foul. Corpus shooting for 2. Corpus shooting for 2. Pops up. High looper shot. No good. Second shot. Jumpers ready. Second shot to Corpus. Second free throw. Pops up. High looper. Okay, Ian. Ian muli. Ian may tanang bola. 15-23. Lamang ng 8 ang Airport United. Ian. Ian slicing. Driving. And no good. One more time. JP naman. Palpal. Jong called for the foul. Pagod na siya, no? Ingat tapos sa foul, mga boss. Medyo depleted kayo. Depleted ang bench nyo. JP, first shot. No good. Second throw, jumpers ready. JP, second free throw, jumpers ready. Second free throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. No good. Rebound, battle one by JP. JP again, JP. Fouly, pow! Good ball. Nice one. Nice D by Corpus. Eric. Kumuha ng pick. Munoz. Jong. Munoz. Nilabas mo na. Munoz. Now, bigyan kay Eric. Eric driving. Running shot. 2 points. Floater shot rather. 2 points. 15-25. Again, nakontrol muli po nila ang slight rally po ng Los Hermanos. Lost the ball. Munoz. Eric. 3-on-1. 4-on-1 situation. Eric, 4-on-1. 4-on-1. Nagbantay muna. 37 seconds remaining. Eric, umatake. Eric, labas muna kay Caster. Caster. Eric. Pops up for 3. No good. Now, kay Ian. 2-on-1 situation. 2-on-1. Ian, 2 points. Nice defense. Ginawa ni Mr. Pawney para kay Ian. 10 seconds remaining. Eric, SG. Eric, balakahaba. No good. Okay, that's it. After 2 quarters, the score is 17-25. Break muna po tayo ng 2-minute break po. After this, we're going back to third quarter action. You're watching right now the game between Los Hermanos and Airport United. And afterwards po is now contact center and mechanicals. Kakolin po contact center mechanicals po dyan. Punta na po kayo dito. Magsi-second half po ang first game po namin. This game is brought to you by, of course, powered by SBB Pilipinas and PSB Pinoy Stars Bowlers Qatar. And of course, our main sponsors, Trade News and Team LBC, Hari ng Padra. And this is your aviation friendly third season po tayo, dubbed as the Flying League. Tayo po tayo. Huwag nilip pa. Mapupuyo muna ako. Okay.
Jerry scored, green ball.
Green ball. Okay, Ian, ano masahe mo? Bati na mo rin sa mga pants mo. Hi, pants. Yun lang. Hi, pants. Okay. Manife Abrao, madam. Good evening po sa'yo, madam. Okay, balik po tayo sa ating laro. Third quarter na po tayo ngayon. Third quarter action. Hop! Foul, Munoz. Padilla for the inbound. 15, dumusot. 24, nice shot by 24, JP on the move. Eric to Carmona for 3. No good. Caster, 2 points Caster. Nakabawi si Caster. 19-27. Again, balik muli sa 8 po ang laman po ng Airport United. Los Hermanos trailing behind by 8 points. Samonte, Pinasa, number 25, driving, pops up, no good. Rebound di Carmona. Foul! Ay! Lifting. Lifting. Ian. Driving. Pops up. Nope. It's Samonte. Wrap around pass kay JP. Wala. Rebound ni Corpus. Yung kanilang big man talagang talagang working extra effort po siya ngayon. SG Eric. Wala po pinasahan. Ian. 2-on-1. Mag-aantay yan. Tiyak. 3-on-3. Padilla. Samonte. Ohoy! Traveling violation called on Mr. Samonte. 8 minutes 30 remaining at 19:27. Lamang po ng 8 still ang Airport United. Airport United trying to hang on the lead. They're made rather. 8:14 remaining. 8:14 driving. Carmona. Palpal di Padilla. Lee still completed kay Ian. Going. Gone. Ian 2 points. 7 minutes 55 remaining. 21-27. Corpus kumuha ng pick. Corpus. Carmona naman. Wala. Custer. Palpal. Sa Monte. Pero may Paul yan tiyak. May sumabit. Sa Monte nga. Okay, game. Custer shooting for 2. 21-27 score po natin at 6-point lead. Being enjoyed still by Airport United. Okay, make it lang 7-point lead already. 7-point lead by Airport United. Custer, second shot, jumpers ready. Second free throw, Custer, jumpers ready. No good. Ed, lost the ball. Corpus driving to Custer. Custer sa ilalim, stripped away. Pero same ball. Stripped away, nice D by Padilla. Substitution, Samonte out. 15 out. Benji and Pasi in. Eric, Corpus, Custer. Shot clock violation. Shot clock violation called against Airport United. Okay. Jong, pasok muna para kay Mr. Munoz. Ian, no good. No good nga. JP fumbled and humbled and mumbled. Balik muli pa sa blue ang bola. Hindi na shoot, hindi na kuha yung bola. 7 minutes 10 remaining. Still completed. Benji 29. Whoop. Benji against Custer. 29. Pasi for 3. No good. Eric, bitahan ng bola. Eric, walang tawag. Number 6, lost the ball. Completed nga. Pasi. 2 points. Number 29. 23-28 at 6 minutes 21 remaining. Eric driving strong kay Corpus. Kiniliwa. Pasok ang bola. 23-30. 7-point lead still enjoyed by Airport United. Benji. Padilla. Pasi, pops up for 3. Bang! Pasi, 3 points. 3 points is in. 4 point na lang ang kalamangan. Corpus, strong move, foul. Pasi, what a 3-point. Ginawa ni Mr. Pasi. Pasi, 3 points po. 26-30. Munoz now will go in. Carmona for 3. Tapos. Stepping on the line. Green ball. Benji. Mano mapasahan. Napunta kay JP, side step move. Pinasa muna kay Eric, pinasa kay Eric. Foul. 77 called for the foul. Pasi called for the foul. 5 minutes remaining. Third quarter action. Okay, labas muna si number 29. Pati si Pasi, labas muna rin. Papasok si 44, tsaka si number 8, si Pauni. Eric. Kumuha ng pick. Eric for 3. No good. Nakuha niya number 44. Benji. Nice dish shot, pero sayang. One more time kay 44 to Benji again. Nakuha ni Eric ang bola. Custer. 2 points sana, pero hindi pumasok. Custer shooting for 2. Timeout called by Hermanos. Hermanos called for the timeout to make a breather. Ray Cream is watching. Good din po sa'yo, sir. 26-30. Ang lamang pa rin po is 4 pa rin still. Airport United try to keep alive in this ball game. Kahit 6 lang sila. Los Hermanos try to make use of their manpower today. Dahil marami po sila. At malalaman po natin yan after 14 minutes of basketball game kung sino po mananalo. Okay, balik muli po tayo. 2 shots para kay Custer. Must made 2 shots na po ito. Pops up. No good. Second throw, jumpers ready. Second free throw, jumpers ready. Pops up. No good. Okay. Completed. Benji now. Benji. Pinuto pero pumasok. 2 points, Benji. Para may kasamang dasal yung tirong yun, 28-30. Benji now has a chance to make the lead into 1 point na lang ng Airport United. Ito yung sinasabi ko. Benji shooting for the bonus free throw. Pops up. No good. Corpus naka-rebound. Good ball. SG. Carmona for 3. Bam! Binawi ni Carmona ng 3 points. 28-33. Lamang muna ng 5 ang Airport United. 4 minutes 10 remaining. Benji driving. Floater shot. No good. Nako ni Pauni yung bola. Padilla. 44. Benji driving. Pops up. No good. Nakuha ni Carmona. Nakuha ni Carmona ang bola. Carmona to Eric. Eric driving. Eric slicing. Nagkaan pa mapasahan. Corpus to Eric again. Eric for 3. No good. Julius babagay. Julius, nasan ka, Julius? Where are you? Nice pass. Again, pick 15. Lost the ball almost through Bonds for 3, no good. Corpus sa rebound na naman. Corpus clearing the boards. Carmona driving in. Carmona slicing. Carmona taking 3. Wag muna raw. Pahinga muna siya. And Custer power move. No good. Wag muna ra po. And now kay Eric lost the ball almost. Eric. Benji. 2 points, Benji. Next dead ball situation. Pagudis ka. Corpus. Carmona slicing. Carmona. SG. Eric. Foul! Timeout, Airport United. Nasiripad din pala, okay. Airport United calls for a timeout, 30-33. Ang score po ngayon. They need a breather. 2 minutes 10 remaining. Again, Los Hermanos knocking on the door. Two minutes 10 remaining. Third quarter action. Okay, back to the ball game muli po tayo. Back to the ball game. Blue ball. 14 seconds shot clock. Jong. Eric. Madikit ang depensa. Carmona. Eric. For 3. No good. Hindi na makatalon. $15. Pops up. No good. Custer, binaba ng bola. Custer driving. Lost the ball. Green ball. White ball. Blue ball. Blue ball. Corpus again. No good. One more time. Eric, wala pa rin. Jong. Corpus, power move. Nawala bola. 3-second violation. Pagod na. Salamat, Sir Julius. Thank you po, sir. Thank you very much po. Palpal, pero may foul. Nice drive by Mr. Ian. Fishing a foul sa kanilang big man. Ian shooting for 2. Patig factor talaga ng patig. Ian per shot. Kapos. Second throw jumpers ready po tayo. Second free throw jumpers ready. Ian pops up. No good. Rebound battle. Malakas! 42 seconds remaining. 42 seconds remaining. 42 seconds remaining. Uy, kababayan. Pasi. JP, Kapos. Coast, Custer now, kay Babagay. No, kay Carmona rather. Carmona, no good. One more time. Carmona again. Fade away shot, no good. Pagod na, lahat pare-pareho pagod na. Ian, kay Pasi for 3. No good. Kapos. Okay, after 3 quarters, the score is 30-33. Final 10 minutes coming up after these messages. Okay, watching now ABS Friendly Double sa Flying League. Third season na po tayo ngayon. We're live always dito sa Newton International School in Doha. And also, of course, is our main sponsor, Trade Nils and Team LBC. Hari ng padala. Ano ba yan? And also, of course, part by SBB Pilipinas and PSBQ Qatar. Pinoy Stars Bowlers Qatar. And you're watching right now Los Hermanos versus Airport United. And after this po is, Contact Center and The Mechanics or The Mechanicos. Okay, final 10 minutes coming up. Final 10 minutes coming up. Munoz, Corpus, Eric, no good. $15, 2 points. Okay, ito na, 1 point lead na lang. Again, Los Hermanos knocking on the door. Hermanos, Custer, recovery. Carmona for 3. Tapos. Ayun, naiyo mag-isa si Ian. Ian. 2 points, Ian. Lamang ang Hermanos. Iyasa, sir. Good evening, sir. Foul! 24 called for a foul. 8 minutes 46 remaining. Laman na po ang Hermanos sa isa. 8 minutes 46 remaining. Hermanos leading by 1. Custer. Foul again. Third personal foul. Padilla number 10. Custer shooting for 2. Second team foul na po ng Team Hermanos. Custer shooting for 2. First shot. Kapos. Sobra pala. Sobrang lakas. Second throw. Jumpers ready tayo. Second free throw. Custer. Jumpers ready. Pops up. Good ball. Again, on the attack now, Hermanos. JP on the attack. Palpal, Corpus, in the boards, pero may foul. Okay, Ian. Sina pinasok, sina pinalitan. Sa Monte, nilabas mo sa Monte. Time out muna, Hermanos. The score right now is 34-33. Lamang po ang Hermanos ng isa. Sir Iyasa, sa Salado, Joregen. Good evening po, sir. Sir Julius, thank you po, sir. Nasalabat pala sila. Si Nonong Rivera is watching also. Si Mr. Manson is watching. Si Scott, nag-watching ba? Nanonood po. Si Nonong Rivera is watching. And si Ray Kim is also watching also. At marami pa pang iba po na kasama po natin po sa gabing ito. This is Airport United Season 3 Basketball League. And you're watching right now, the score is 34-33. Lamang na po ng Hermanos ng isa. Okay, Mechanicos, calling Mechanicos. Calling Mechanicos. Where are you? Carmona, taking it strong. Kapos. Isa pa daw. One more time. Carmona for 2. Kapos pa rin. Foul. Custer, third personal foul. Fifteen, may tahan ng bola. Ayan na. Benji. JP. Foul. Take 2 si Benji. Take 2 pala si JP. Pagod na. Corpus. Third personal foul also. JP shooting for 2. 7 minutes 58 remaining sa ating game clock. JP, first shot. No good. Second throw, jumpers ready. Second free throw, jumpers ready. Pops up. Pasok. 35-33. Okay, Sumingos, labas muna. Para kay Jong. Okay, JP. Kay JP. ES or Eric. Lost the ball! Benji! No good. Rebound ni Jong. Corpus. Shoutout kay Idol Carmona. Sabi ni Babagay. Eric. Carmona for 3. No good. Rebound battle 1 by number 10. Walang pinasahan. Shoutout po kay Idol Jeff Fox Carmona. Sabi ni Julius Babagay. Custer nakalusot. Custer stripped away. Benji. No good. 15. Wala pa rin. And one play pa. Bonus shot. Number 15. Bonus free throw. 6 minutes 55 remaining. Hermanos pulling away. Forrest. Pops up. No good. Nakuha ni JP. Forrest again. Forrest. Carmona naka-rebound. Wrong pass, Eric. Custer, 2 points. Okay, 2 points lang. 2 points lang. Sabi nila, 37-35. Custer, 2 points only. Shoutout kay Black Mamba. Sabi ni Jonas Manyapat. Lost the ball. Retrieved again. 2 points, number 15. Eric. (39-35). Again, chance again. 15, umatake. 4 personal fouls na yan. 4 personal foul, full corpus, 4 personal foul, warning for graduate. Forrest, first shot. Pasok! 5. Idol, saan? Ano dalaban?
Last quarter na pala.
Last quarter na. Tawagin mo mga bata mo. Boss basket made. 41-30 ba score? Lamang kanina eh. Pero siyempre, kulang yung effort yun eh.
6 lata sila eh.
6 lang. Alam nga ito mo, mas depleted yung effort yun eh. Pagod mo. Okay, time for effort na. The first score is 41-35. Win. Nangangamoy panalo na po ang team Los Hermanos. O, meron dito, ano dito? Sabi ni Jonas Manyapat. OJ. Anak mo ko. Shoutout kay Macback Black Bamba OJ. Sabi ni Manyapat. Eric. Ayan na, number 6. Corpus. Custer. Sa ilalim. Yon, 2 points. 2 points, Carmona. 41-37. Kaya pa yan. Malayo pa yan. Utay-utayin lang. Sabi nila. Okay, ito na po tayong yun. Now, kay number 15, yung nagbigay ng kalamangan kanina. Kay Benji naman. Benji, driving. Kay number 15, Tinky 3, wag mo na raw. Slicing. 2 points again. Binawi kagad. Carmona, driving. Carmona. Double teamed already. Eric, thinking 3. Carmona, na yung mag-isa. Pops up for 3. No good. Custer, rebound. One more time. Foul! Committed Dicky Samonte. Contact center. Masok na. Contact center group. (43-37), a 6-point lead enjoyed now still by Hermanos. Corpus. No good. Walang foul. Samonte, binibigay number 15. Nakuha ng Airport United on the run. Airport United, Carmona, binitbit, wala! Pagod na. Nice! Slice by Custer, lost the ball. Eric for 3, ayaw mo na nga. Eric, perimeter muna, wala ka pa din. Pagod na. 4 minutes 10 remaining. Ian Samonte 43-37. Ian for 2. No good. Eric foul. Padilla. Padilla also 4 personal fouls, 1 for graduate. Both teams 1 for penalty. SG, Eric, foul! Penalty situation, Los Hermanos. Eric, first shot. Made. Second throw, jumpers ready. Second free throw, jumpers ready. Pops up. No good. Okay, now 5-point lead. Samonte, nako yung bola. Padilla. Ian. They're starting to milk the clock. Ian, 15. JP, binabantayan. Ian for 3. Kapos. Eric, nagmamadilim mo. Carmona nakalusot. Carmona, foul. Samonte, 5 fouls, graduate. Benji, papasok para kay Samonte. Carmona, shooting for 2. 43-38. Carmona, first shot. No good. Second throw, jumpers ready. Pops up. Basket made. 43-39. Apat, 2 minutes 55 remaining. Apat lang. Coster for the rebound. Coster on the run. Coster. Same ball. Substitution made now. Passing muna para kay kanino? Para kay Ian. Okay. 15 muna. Eric, foul! Eric again going to the line. Eric, first shot. It's made. It's good. 43-40. Chance again. Little by little, inch by inch. You have to come back to the ball game for Airport United. Second shot. It's made. They need to deny this play. 43-41. Lamang ng dalawa na lang muli ang Los Hermanos. Hermanos. 14 seconds, shoot to shoot. Pasi, Ian. Benji, strong drive. No good. Padilla, naku yung rebound. Padilla to Pasi. JP, no good. And rebound battle, Padilla. Blue ball. Again, chance again for the Blue Boys to tie the ball game. Nakuha ni Benny Padilla sana pero di pumubra. Second shot. Nagpo-full court press na po ang Los Hermanos. Full court press. Custer. Traveling violation. Sayang yun. Ginanon niya. 1 minute 40 remaining. They need to stop again. Pasi for 3. No good. Munoz. Eric, nag-aantay ng mapasahan. Eric, driving strong. Eric, lost the ball. A minute and 9 remaining. Benji, driving strong. Good ball. 3 seconds shot clock, 3 seconds to shoot. 3 seconds shot clock, 3 seconds to shoot. Benji, cutters. Padilla, palpal. Carmona. Foul. Tough call. Seconds remaining to shot clock. Padilla. Ian for 2. No good. Rebound para Munoz. Carmona driving it strong. Custer. And one play made for Custer. And one play made for Custer. 24 seconds shot remaining. 1 game clock. Custer need to sink this in. At least they will take the lead again. Or else game will possibly go to overtime. It's out. Carmona, foul! Carmona pops up. Second shot. Jumpers ready. Carmona just 1 shot he needs. Carmona no good. Again, tabla po tayo. 20% remaining. Ian, binabantayan. Nakuha na Eric ang bola. Eric has the ball. Eric stole the ball to Carmona. 2 points, Carmona. And they've done it. That's winner by 2 points, 43-45. Airport United snatching the victory from the jaws of defeat.
Injured pa yung isa, oh.
Munoz, tara, ano nga, para lang. Grabe. Sure.
Let's go. Quick lang to before your final rest.
Okay, 42-45 po. Airport United snatched the victory from the jaws of certain defeat.
Down the wire.
Oh, shoutout to si Ibes. Ibes, kamusta ka raw? Okay, 43-45. Sino POG, sir?
Carmona pa pa na.
Corpus pen. Clear ng boards. Compress lang po tayo, wag yung expand. Okay.
Right. Catch up.
Okay, thank you po, thank you. Ito po ablim lang sila pero tiyak, meron silang ginawang milagro. Sino ang POG, sir? Sino ang POG?
Double machine.
Eric.
Corpus! Corpus, ikaw. Oh, clearing the boards. Corpus, siya po ang POG of the game. Yung kanilang big man.
Okay.
Oh, Corpus, ano man, sisikat ka sa akin ngayon. Mr. Corpus. Okay na yun, okay. Mr. Corpus, sir, you're the big man. Mukhang, sige, gamit na gamit talaga po kayo, sir. Ikwento nyo sa paano nyo nakuha pa yung panalo that certain ano talaga, na talaga naman talaga.
Kahit unti lang yung player namin kasi
Okay,
ginawa
kita
namin
nga,
lahat ng
depleted
effort.
talaga eh.
Medyo humingi rin ako ng pasensya kanina kasi medyo nagka-depleted
Okay.
sa ilalim. Pero okay naman sa
Ayos
kanila.
ah. Oh,
Next time,
laro
ano
talaga.
talaga. Sports na. Kaya humingi rin nga.
Pero
talaga
kasi
ako
kaya
ng-
kasi ko na pwede, yung boards mo kasi evident talaga, ito yung nag-step talaga sa boards nila. Wala silang big man ngayon, kaya ikaw parang naging parang ano, nang namitas sa mga bola para sa kanila. Ano masabi po doon, sir?
Oo nga, kasi si Salud, yung mga may pinaghahandaan. May pinaghahandaan kaya kahit pa paano nag-step up tayo.
Sige, sir.
Tulong lang. At saka,
Okay, again po, thank you po, Sir Corpus. And also, I give 1 minute to shout out everybody, sir. Sige, shout out po. Lakas.
Friends ko sa BHS sa airport.
Okay.
Sa lahat ng mga Airport United. Maglaro
Okay.
na kayo, nahirapan na kami.
Oy, Airport United daw. Call, shout out Airport United. Maglaro daw kayo. Ano pa? Sige.
Ayun lang, sa family ko sa Pilipinas, mga relatives ko dyan.
Okay.
Safe palagi.
Ay, wait, sir. Huwag kalimutan ko. Ano pa maasahan si Airport United for the last 3 games ng laro ninyo?
Yun nga, medyo yung standing namin, 3-3 na nga sana
Oo.
Sana makalaro na yung mga important, mga key player namin para kahit pa paano makahapon.
Kasi maraming sa that's Mr. Corpus, sa kanilang big man. 3, 2, 1. Thank you po.